Alright, so let's continue.
Yeah, I drove down by Pat.
That's cool. Just a little more difficult with one hand, but you know what? It's doable. Oh crap! I know what I'm forgetting here. Hang on. These things are a lifesaver. It's right over here. These little magnetic dishes are life. Let's put that right, I don't know, somewhere. Let's put it on the tire. That's a good place for it. And keep them like kind of segregated so you can put, I put that 3/8 bolt right there. And if you're wondering what this is, that's a ground for my kill switch. I might do a video on that yet. Oh, Jesus. Set this one down to that. Oh, God. Alright. I'm going to put that one pretty tight, or it vibrated tighter. Ratchets, aren't they great? Alright, now we gotta switch to our 1/2 inch. If I can get this socket off. My extension, I love extensions, I don't know why. Alright, so we'll start on this one. Jesus Christ, I put some of these on there. Alright, I'm gonna loosen these up pretty quick here. I always like putting these on pretty tight so that way they don't vibrate loose, because that's where all your combustion's at. Bye! That's my neighbor Jordan, friend. He's leaving on his 500 Polaris Sportsman. Or no. Maybe you stand. Alright, last bolt to get free. Alright, here's a little trick that I like. When they're loose already, you just take the extension, put the socket on it. And I like this one because it's got a little grip on there. Just sit there and twist it loose with your hand. Goes quite a bit faster most times. These bolts are decently long. Haha. Alright, I'm going to cut to, because I have to take this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one off yet. And so I will come back when I have them all off.